Hello friends, I'm come back with new topics. So hope you're doing good. Today I'll show you how you can rename your iPhone. So why you want to rename your iPhone? So sometime we take a second hand phone. I mean we are buy second hand phone. Also like somebody give to you second hand phone. Then we should need to change the name. So why you want to change, and I just explain to you. So now I show you how you can change. All right. So first, if you want to change the rename, then you just tap on the settings. Then there is showing many options, and you should go like general. Then about. Now showing many options, but if you want to change like rename, then you should go name. Then here in the editing option, you can add your name like this. So I have no need to change. So I just go back. So that's it. It's a pretty easy. And if you need to any help, I mean any problem if you face, then you can comment and please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Bye bye.